Next serotonin session from us at the SomaSpace Movement for Mental Health is another workout based in some very, very simple boxing routines. Boxing is a fantastic thing to learn and practice. What we're going to do is 4 different combinations for a minute each, swapping over between them. And you see that I'm wearing gloves here. It's only because, it's not because I need to wear them, because I'm just shadow boxing. It's just so that you can see where my hands are. These are actually MMA grappling gloves rather than boxing gloves. If you fancy going further with boxing, then perhaps pick a pair up. But in simple terms, what we're going to be doing is number 1, just jab and cross. Number 2, jab, cross, hook and hook. And then the next combination, so the new one, is jab, cross, roll, and then hook, and then hook. And then the last one, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. So we're going to work through those for a minute each. I've got my exercise timer here, which I'll put on in a moment or two, and I'll also change position so you can see a bit more clearly what I'm doing, where the feet are going, and so on and so forth. So make sure you've stretched out first. If you find this quite easy, then perhaps try out this routine for 3 or 4 times. But let's get on with it. First combination, 1 and 2, jab and cross. So I've got my guard up and jab and cross, jab and cross. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. You might want to make it a bit more snappy or a little bit faster, just to explore the movement a little bit more. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. And I'm thinking also about being light on my feet here, turning on the balls of my feet as I do this simple 1-2 combination. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Last couple of seconds. Okay, and then now we go into jab, cross, hook, hook, same as the last session we did. Jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook. Thinking about that rotating movement with the hooks, turning the body all the way around. Hook, jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, jab, cross, hook, hook. About halfway through. Jab, cross, hook, hook, 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 jab, cross, hook, hook. 2 more. Cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook. All right, next combination, we're going to add something into this. Jab, cross, roll, and then hook, and then hook. So jab, cross, roll, bit of a squat here, and then come in with those rotating hooks. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. I'll change my position so you can see it from a different angle. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook, jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Couple more. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Last one. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. And last minute, simple combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, uppercut, uppercut, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut, different angle, jab, cross, hook, hook, upper, upper, jab, cross, hook, hook, upper, sink and twist, upper, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Getting sweaty now. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Last few seconds. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. One more. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And we're done. 4 minutes of shadow boxing through different combinations. I noticed that I'm sweatier. My pulse is raising, my heart's beating a bit faster. I'm ever so slightly out of breath. So another very, very simple boxing-based workout session that you can learn and practice. Really gets everything going. Boxing's a great way to throw everything around and really discover your inner warrior.